at all this rain. So I'm gonna tell y'all, where I'm at, I'm in my grandma's on 66th Street Avenue, South Avenue, yeah. I'm on 66th Street, South Avenue. That's where my grandma lives and where I stay with her every day. From now on, okay. So, wanna come in here and talk about stuff, you can comment below, and we can just chat it. My Instagram name is baby. Oh, yada yada yada. I just happened that. I don't know. Bye. No. I was recording so I can show them what's happening outside. And yeah. Hungry.
Your mama said this storm help y'all with.
Yeah.
Taste that can't be replicated.
It is.
Flavor that can't be replaced.
Oh, the cover that matches and you can't touch the sheet and make that burn. You can't touch the sheet. You got to try to touch it, but it's hot sheet. Don't do like a barbecue. You can't touch none of them.
Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Shoot.
That's it right there, wasn't it? And you got it?
No,
There was one right here.
I didn't get it.
It's all of them now.
Okay, I was just wondering what they was.
Get one something close the same
You
time.
can.
Huh?
You can.
Right.
I was trying to see what it was. Huh? Really, I would just live in the fridge. I was just in the freezer.
Did you what?
She wanna ask you.
Ice. Oh.
You got it. Okay, so before I end the video, I want to talk about something like this. Who you think will win in a fight? Will it be? I'm gonna talk about strange things versus anything else. So indeed, yes. I got a Fortnite season set X battle mother effing pack. Yes, I got Yonder. I'm about to almost get the unmask of Yonder and get the pick out of Sparkle. Yes. So my brother got the battle pack, but he's a long way down. So, if you want to meet me up on this, my name is Baby with an E. Look, Baby at 2E. Like, you know how my YouTuber name. Make sure, look at the description below. Super Guy Baby, Super Guy, or Super Saiyan Wars Baby. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you go check out my brother video, Killermason plays. Yes, he plays Fortnite. We always do Year of War play. I got friends who we do Year of War play. If you want to check that out, leave a comment below. And I'll talk to you. I'll be like, and yo, meet me on Dauntless. Bye. Bye, buckos. Make sure you get some condos.